Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna be showing you live trade with our live account. Right now we're on the pair Euro USA dollar looking at the 1 hour chart. Why did we pick this pair to trade? As you can see right here, there is a good rejection of the price. We have a really nice resistance right here. We're drawing this zone, this buffer zone right here. The price already rejected it over there once, so we're gonna be waiting for a confirmation to enter the trade to short it. Like you can see here and here, we have a nice previous bottom, so we are drawing another zone where the price can bump and then go back, or after that keep going down. Now, as we mentioned it before, and as you know from our strategy, we are using the moving averages. You should know already the periods. We have the 30 and the 50 period moving averages. Of course, the 30 period moving average is green, and then you have the 50, which we are putting it yellow. So it's brighter, it keeps you in more attention, know that something important is happening right here. So as we mentioned before, trading is you have to be like a sniper. You have to wait for the right moment to enter the trade. So that's what we are basically doing now. We're waiting for confirmation of the trade. So we're waiting when the moving averages are gonna cross each other, and we're gonna enter the trade. We have a nice downtrend. We have already a rejection, so we have like bunch of things that in our direction. And as you can see here, we are entering the trade. You see the price was consolidating for a while, so we waited until the moving averages were crossed, and as you can see, we entered the trade. Our stop loss is right above the consolidation zone, or the buffer zone, whatever you like to call it, and then our take profit is the previous bottom. Now most likely that's what the price is going to do. It's gonna test the previous bottom, and it's either gonna break through the previous bottom, or it's gonna be rejected and the price will go back. So from there on, we're gonna see what we can do next. Now this is something interesting. As you can see, our take profit was almost hit, but it didn't get hit, so we move our stop loss on profit. This is always, we recommend that always try to secure some profit for yourself. Not always your target is gonna be hit, so sometimes it's even good to close the trade. It just, that's how trading is. You never know. There is no like a perfect trade or such a thing. So in this case, we believe that we have really reliable signals, so we're gonna keep our position open. But if you want, you can definitely close your trade, and with the profit that you gain, you can open another trade, wait for another good position, good moment to enter a trade, and then enter it. We're still waiting now. The price makes correction, which is something normal. It may go back up, but as we already said, we moved our stop loss on profit, so we guarantee profit. But let's see what's gonna happen. Let's wait and see if we're gonna hit our take profit. Now the price is still consolidating. Of course, this is a zone where there was a previous bottom, so it's normal to have a correction of the price. That's how the market moves. But like I said, we believe that it's a good signal, and here we go. After the consolidation, the price actually went to our take profit, so it keeps actually going down. Now after we already took profit here, what we are going to do next, as you can see, the moving averages are crossed really nice. We have the power of the indicator showing at 50%, which is really good. what we're doing now, we're gonna be waiting for break of this zone, then retest of the zone, and then we are gonna be entering another short position, of course, if the market does what we are expecting. And here we go. As you can see, we enter another short trade. In this one, actually we got in a little late, but still it's a nice, really nice bullish candle. I mean bearish candle. So we entered the trade. We put our stop loss right under the previous zone that we draw, the buffer zone, and our take profit is the previous bottom. You're gonna get used to that. It's really simple when you start drawing your zones by yourself, because there is indicators. You know, some traders like to use other indicators to draw their zones, but like you can see here, this is the bottom, like the bottom. Those are the two bottoms. So we usually like to take 80% of the bottoms or the highs. So here is something interesting. As you can see, we have another zone that is really interesting, and we may see some correction of the price. So let's see. Okay, and now after the correction, here you can see that the price break through the zone, and this is actually a really nice candle. This is a very bearish candle, which actually gives us the thought that most likely the price will continue going down. But you know, at this moment, we probably are gonna be closing this trade. You know, we already made some good profits, and you know, it's really close to our target, so we're gonna close this trade and then try to find another opportunity on the market and re-enter our profits, and you know, try to gain some more. Now, as you can see right here, if we were to keep from the first time we entered the trade, if we were keeping our position open, we would have made a huge profits. But you know, don't get greedy. There's always gonna be times that you're not gonna take all the profits that you can, but it's better to secure your profits, make little less, but you know, nobody lost his account by taking the profits. Here you can see another bottom. There was rejection from the moving average, the green moving average, so we enter another trade. As you can see, our stop loss is right above the previous candles. The power of the indicator shows 45%, which is actually really good indication. So we are expecting the price to keep falling at the moment. You know, we have some bearish signals, and let's see what's gonna happen. Now something important as we are looking here, you know, why we recommend moving the stop loss on profit. If you don't stay in front of the computer every day, all the time, you know, you have another job, or you want to go out, or you want to do whatever you want, it is always better to secure some little profits, and you know, that way your mind is not gonna be constantly thinking about your position. You can go out and do whatever you want, and then you know, at the end you can just come back and see your positions. So and especially if you enter like the couple times at the trade like we did here, you know, definitely it's a good thing to do. Now you see the price break through the previous bottom, so that's pretty, as you can see, again, really nice and pretty solid bearish candle here. So it's getting close to our take profit. What we did, we moved our stop loss on plus. The power of the indicator shows sell 45%, which gives us a good thought on the trade. So we're expecting, the price to keep going down. But let's see how the trade will play out. Like I said, as you can see, our stop loss is already on profit, so we feel comfortable. We can walk away from the computer. We don't have to constantly look at the computer. The indicator shows us really good numbers, the 45%, and we feel pretty comfortable that we're gonna take profit. As I said, you see the price is really close to our take profit zone, so you can just close the trade, especially after this is our third trade, so we made enough profits. So don't get greedy, guys. Try to stick to your plan, collect as much profit as you can, and there's always gonna be tomorrow. There is gonna be another opportunity, so you are gonna be able to make your profits. But I hope you like this video. I hope you learn a lot. If you have some questions or you have any suggestion or something, please comment in the comment section below. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope you learn enough and a lot, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.